Hi guys and welcome to another episode of Britannia Cheese StarChef, जहाँ पर हम सीखेंगे yummy recipes with a cheesy twist.
Hi guys. Hi Shipra.
Hi Saif, how are you doing?
Excellent, thank you.
Since it's World Chocolate Day, we are going to be making cream cheese chocolate cookies.
Oh, the chocolate chip cookie. I've always loved chocolate chip cookies actually, In fact, this is a dessert that's very close to my heart because my mother used to make this on special family occasions. But I want to hear your recipe. Of course, I didn't know what she was making, but I remember eating it.
Oh wow, so now you're taking the legacy forward because eventually now you're going to be making this recipe at home, yeah?
In fact, if you teach me this, I'm going to make it for my mother. I'm going to send her some.
Oh, that'll be awesome. It's a one bowl recipe. All you need to do is understand the settings of the oven, and that's about it. And everything that you put in, I'm going to give you measurements, so you need to follow the recipe to the T, and there you go. So let's get the ingredient checklist. There's this empty bowl in front of you. So, in this bowl, you have butter in front of you.
Yeah.
So we transfer butter and sugar in this empty bowl. There are two types of sugars. There's the brown demerara sugar and the white one. So it's half and half. And then Britannia cream cheese. So rich, creamy with a burst of flavor, and it is perfect to make desserts. Half cup of cream cheese. This is going to make the cookies really creamy and delicious.
So now what do? Mix it up?
So not with a spoon, you have a hand blender right in front of you. This process is called creaming. So we are creaming the sugar and the butter and the cream cheese together. So we need to whisk it until it's smooth. So now to this, we are going to add vanilla essence. A few drops, and then we add the flour.
2 cups.
It's 2 cups of flour.
Okay.
The entire quantity, yes. A teaspoon of baking powder.
Baking powder is really powerful stuff, right?
Yeah. And half a teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay.
Around a teaspoon of corn flour. 1 egg. Mix everything together with a spoon or a spatula.
Now what?
Now we put the yummy choco chips in this. Generally at this stage, you can put it in the refrigerator for an hour. Just shape it into small balls and place it on a baking tray. Like, you have to flatten the balls because it's going to spread in the oven, and the top needs to be a little flattened, but you can shape it the way you want it.
Okay.
Whenever you're baking cookies, you have to, when you're placing it on a baking tray, you have to keep it at a distance so that it has space to expand. My oven is preheated at 180 degrees and the cookies will go for 10 to 15 minutes. So the best way to check out the cookies, if they're done or not, once it's in the oven, the edges will become golden brown. That's when you take out the cookies, and when they come to room temperature, it's going to become crisper. Ta-da! My cookies are ready!
So are mine, look at this.
Really? Wow! Well done, Saif. I'm so proud that you're learning from the best.
These are perfect.
You want to try it?
Yeah. This cookie is super soft and chewy and chocolatey. It's amazing. What a cookie.
Happy Chocolate Day.
Happy Chocolate Day. It was so easy to make, chef.
I told you.
All you have to do is send us your unique and tasty cheese recipes. The recipes that we love the most will get featured on the show. And now it's time for you to know the winner of Britannia Cheese StarChef. Stay tuned. Till then, keep cooking with the best.